Hello everyone, welcome back to Cogni Solver. So in this video we're gonna learn about how to make the theme of our web application dynamic, so that user can change toggle between a dark theme and light theme. Okay, so theme changing feature we have to implement using JavaScript only, because using JavaScript only user can interact with the application. So for that we would do what we have to first define what all the variables gonna be changed in dark theme, because see, the title color, the background color, or the text color, everything, these variables we have here, right? We want to change them if it is dark theme, so we have to define what they supposed to be changed in. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll quickly write down my variable, my changed variable names, and then come back. Okay, so these are our dark theme variables. Basically what I have done, I have changed title color. Previously this was our title color, so it was quite a little lighter, and in our dark theme, sorry, it is a little dark, but in our dark theme I have kept it a little light. Okay, and question color I have also kept a little light. Score color is also a little light. White color is now okay, white color remains white color because see, in our dark theme, so white color remains white color only. So we are changing the background and some other colors. Okay, and then we are changing our BG gradient from radial to linear gradient, and with different color. Okay, and box shadow also we are changing from white box shadow, sorry, darker box shadow to a little lighter one. Okay guys, so yeah, so to change the theme we are gonna do that with the help of JavaScript. Okay, so for that let's jump into our script.js file and start some coding there. Okay, let's see first if we have linked it correctly. Yeah, script.js, correct. So we'll initialize some variables for it. For now we only need this icon, okay, to check that where this icon is being clicked or not. So we'll define a variable, say theme icon container, and we'll say document dot get element by id. And if you remember, we gave it an ID of theme icon container. Okay, correct. If you see, we have given as theme icon container as an ID. Okay, so I'll just expand this a little bit. Okay. Okay, so we have theme icon container now. I'll give a comment here, and I'll say change theme. You always include comments in your code, so that you could able to understand in future that what you have done here. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll say theme icon container. I'll add an event listener here, and which will listen a click event, and will call a method called theme toggler. Okay, now this theme toggler is not defined yet, so I have to define it. So I'll write a function theme toggler. Okay, here I will say document dot body dot class list dot add. Okay, we can do toggle. So toggle means when it is added, it will remove it, and if it is not there, it will add it. Dark theme. So if you remember, in our style.css we have written this dark theme class. So if body has dark theme class, then this root variable gonna change from their original position, original settings to this particular settings. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. Then we're gonna check conditions. If document dot body dot class list dot contains dark theme, because we have to change this theme icons as well, right? So if body contains dark theme, then we'll do what? We'll set this selection in session storage, okay? Because we want only user to choose a theme at only once, and each time the page gets refreshed, the theme stays consistent, okay? So we'll say set item, we'll name the key as theme, and we'll set the value as dark, okay? And then we're gonna say theme container dot inner HTML, because we're gonna change the icons. So this inner HTML going to be, I'll copy this I tag, I'll paste it here, okay? So if it is dark, then this is going to be changed to sun, yeah. And then we're gonna change the title as well. So theme container dot title, we're gonna make it as light mode, correct? And if it is not the case, then we'll do this just the reverse, okay? So we'll say theme keep as light and make it as moon icon, and title make it as dark mode, correct? This is theme toggler. So this will happen when this icon is being clicked. So let's check it, okay? So now let's click it. So this theme got changed, nice, right? But if I click it again, it will toggle between this. But what happens if I reload my page? So now I'm in dark mode, right? I'm reloading my page, it again comes to light mode, but I don't want that. If I've chosen dark mode and I'm refreshing my page, it should not come to light mode automatically, because the default mode is light mode. But I don't want that. I want that user should that this UI should be consistent with what theme user has been chosen, until unless they are changing it explicitly. So for that we'll have another function, okay? We'll have this function will say set default browser theme, and we'll check if session storage dot get item, remember the key name we passed, yes, it is theme. So if it is equals to light, so if the user has chosen as light, so we'll say these things. I'll copy this thing, paste it here. I'll say theme container, and one more thing, I have to change the body class. So document.body.class list dot remove. Now here we won't use toggle, we'll remove it, okay? Because we're not listening clicks here. So we'll say remove the dark theme and make the icon as moon and title as dark mode. Else if session storage is theme, session get item theme, if it is dark, then we'll just copy the whole thing and do the reverse. We'll say add the dark theme, and in HTML make it sun and make it the title as light mode. So let's see if it worked or not. Okay, I'm on light mode, refreshing, it stays on light. I'm in dark mode now, refreshing the page, came into light mode. So what is happening? Because this set default browser theme is never being called, correct? You have to call this function every time the windows load. So we can do it on window.onload method, or we can directly call it set default browser theme. So each time this thing gonna refresh, so this method gonna be called. Okay, so now we are on dark mode. If I'll keep on refreshing the page, it stays on a dark mode. I'll change it to light mode. I'll keep on refreshing the page, it stays on the light mode. Again going back to dark mode, keep on changing this screen, or keep on refreshing the screen, it stays on the dark mode. So yeah guys, we have achieved this theme changing functionalities for our application. Okay, so I'll keep it here, and that's it for this video. Let's meet in the next one. Till then, keep coding and keep learning.